tighten up your spokes.
It's your boy YC, baby. And how many of you guys been riding that bike and they been tightening them spokes? Amazon. Look for the one for your bike. But anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and show you how to tighten the spokes up. So as you can see, down here you got spokes. Each one of them have these little grooves. Yes, so as you can see, I use this stem as an indicator because what you want to do is start here, then you go and you skip 1, 2, and you land on the third. So you tighten on the third and you do that all the way around. 1, 2, 3. You do it like that so when you're going in that pattern of 1, 2, 3, you keep the rim tightening up equally all. And so since I started there on the first time going around, now I did that row, I'm gonna start here now. And you remember where you started at, so you go to the next spot after you went all the way around. And now guys, this is how you tighten up your rims on your YZ or any dirt bike.